The next step in our Eggs Benedict is to prepare our poaching water. A poaching water is a water that does not go over 200 degrees, so it never boils, though it is hot enough to coagulate the proteins in the eggs. First thing we're going to do is add purified water. We're going to add 2 quarts. We're going to take our distilled vinegar, it's distilled white vinegar. All of the vinegars will leave a taste that probably isn't too pleasing. We use vinegar because the acids in the vinegar help coagulate the egg protein faster so that the egg doesn't fall apart in the water. The best thing to use is the freshest eggs possible, because the fresher the egg, the better they hold. We're going to add about 4 ounces of vinegar. To the water. We're going to turn it to a medium-high heat. Now that we have our water at over 180 degrees, but not over, looks like we're temping right around about 183, which is perfect.